If your Upwork profile isn't getting you the clients, it's not because the market is too crowded. It's because your profile isn't doing the job it's supposed to do. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create and optimize your Upwork profile step by step. This isn't just about hitting that 100% complete badge on Upwork. This is about going beyond that and building a profile that actually helps you get hired. Even if you are starting from scratch with no reviews, I will show you exactly how to create a strong profile that builds trust and makes clients want to click. Let's get into it. Section 1, Core Principles. Before we jump into creating your profile, there are a few important things you need to know. First, you don't need a deep work history or portfolio full of paid projects. You can start with just what you have and build from there. Second, do not copy someone else's profile. You can take inspiration for sure. You should absolutely research successful freelancer job, but copying someone's content can get your account suspended or even banned, and it's just not worth the risk. Third, your profile will not stay the same forever. It's something that you should constantly tweak and improve as you grow. What we are doing today is creating your strong starting point. From here, you'll evolve over time. Section 2, Profile Creation plus Optimization. In this section, we will cover photo headline description, a few quick checks to make sure your profile is actually ready to attract clients. Let's start with the basics. Step 1, your profile photo. This is your first impression and it's easier than most people think. All you need is a smartphone camera and a plain wall. Stand in front of the wall, smile naturally, and take a clear close-up photo. Don't overthink it. You do not need to edit the image, not even cropping the background or blurring it. I've had images rejected by Upwork for doing that. Just a simple unedited image with you smiling at the camera is perfect. This step should take less than 2 minutes. Just make sure you look approachable and professional. Number 2, your headline. Your headline shows up in the search results and makes clients stop and click. Clients are usually searching based on either the function they need or the software they want someone to use. So you want to combine both with a result you can deliver. Here is a structure that works. What you do, big results, tools or text you use. Example, email marketing specialist, 25% plus, open rate, Klaviyo, HubSpot. Web developer, 100% Shopify store built, Liquid, JavaScript. Video editor, 8% YouTube CTR, Premiere Pro, Photoshop. Be specific. Use real keyword clients are actually looking for. Step number 3, your description. This is the heart of your profile, and here's the truth. The first 2 lines of your description are the most important. That's what clients see when they find you in the search. If those lines are weak or generic, they will never click to read more. Your goal is to grab attention before the break. That break is a point on desktop where clients have to click more to see the rest of your description. So if your first line does not hit, the rest won't even matter. Also, most clients do not want to read the long paragraphs. They want to scan quickly and get a feel for what you do. So here's a few tips that can make a big difference. Use bullet points instead of long blocks of text. Make use of the 5,000 characters you're given. Go easy on emojis, and a few are fine, but keep it clean. Use key search terms naturally. Do not stuff keywords. That actually hurt your visibility. Before we jump into the structure, I want to mention this. Join my private Facebook group if you haven't already. I will be sharing the complete description structure there as a customizable template so that you can tweak it to fit your niche, your style, and your strength. The link is in the pinned comment below. Now, let's break down a description structure that works. Number 1, client struggles. open the pain with what they feel. Running campaigns, but no one opens your emails. Spending on ads and seeing zero returns. Number 2, value statements. I help e-commerce brand 5 times their email ROI without bloating system or guesswork. Number 3, results and testimonials. Even if unpaid, use them. 500% open rate increase. 1,000 new subscribers in 30 days. By far the best freelancer I've ever hired. Number 4, client thought bullets. We've got the data. Why aren't we seeing results? I need someone who can just take this over and do it right. Number 5, benefit of working with you. Done for you campaigns. No need to hire multiple freelancers. Confidence hitting send every time. Number 6, background and stats. 5+ years experience. 300+ email campaigns launched. Top open rate, 41%. Worked with email lists over 100,000. Number 7, call to action. Sound like a fit? Click the green invite to job button and let's set up a quick call. Section 3, portfolio. Clients want proof, but that just doesn't mean paid work. Create your own project. Design markups, offer a free service in exchange for a testimonial. And if you want the full playbook, I've got a separate video on this title, How to Create a Winning Upwork Portfolio in 2025, Step by Step. Go check that one out next for the full portfolio strategy. Section 4, other profile elements. These details matter more than you think. Number 1, skill tags. Add at least 10. Include services, tools, and platform clients look for. Number 2, certifications. Free or paid, relevant certifications build trust. Include them. Number 3, work experience. Use 3 bullet points per job. Keep it result focused, not duty focused. Your Upwork profile is more than a resume. It is your personal landing page. It should speak clearly to the client you want to attract, show what results you deliver, and offer enough proof to make hiring you easy. And if you do that, you will stand out, even as a beginner. Here's what to do next. Use the profile structure we just covered. Watch my Upwork profile video, the link in description, and check the pinned comments below to join my private Facebook group. Inside the group, I will share free templates, proposal scripts, job winning strategies, and offer direct feedback on your freelance journey. Thank you for watching. I will see you inside the community and in the next video. Until next time, be freelantastic.